I have such a fun, jam-packed day today. It's the first like 80, 75 degree day in Boston, so I'm having a day out in the town. I'm going to a Pilates class right now. I haven't been to a Pilates class in like 3 days. My body's like craving it. And after, I'm meeting up with my friends and we're all heading to the beach for like a little beach day. And then I just bring in my mat towel and we're gonna lay on it and just yap and enjoy the nice weather. Then after that, I'm heading back. I'm gonna get ready and then I have Cinco de Mayo plans because today is Cinco de Mayo. I'm just so happy it's finally nice out in Boston, so I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of today. Let's head to my Pilates class. But now we're at Tatte. I got a vanilla iced latte. This is like my favorite thing to get here. Their coffee is so good. The sound of heaven. I'm at Tatte now with Kylie.
Hey.
And we're gonna have breakfast and then head to the beach. Because I haven't eaten yet and it's like 1.
I'm so excited and I don't know what to get.
I got a scrambled egg prosciutto plate thing and a coffee. I only had 2 coffees today and I usually have 3. So I guess Tatte is doing a customer survey today. So we're gonna be taste testing their little chocolate dishes. And so she said this is like chocolate mousse with a crumble on the bottom here. I don't think I can really get the crumble.
I don't think I can get all layers.
Yeah.
It's pretty though.
I'm gonna try to dig in there. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Oh, that's good.
That's really good.
I like the top.
It's so smooth.
So they said this one was cake base. It's like chocolate cake base instead of crumble. And then it's a different base, but it's similar.
It looks the same. Besides the crumble.
I think it's a little darker.
Oh, what's on the bottom? There is something.
Cake base.
Oh, cake base. Okay.
Ready?
All right, again.
It is very. Oh, this one's
this
way
one's softer.
Oh, we got to the bottom.
Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Alright. That one is richer. Thank you. This one's milkier. Drinks. That's how you know that's real. I like them both. They're
Honestly,
just
yeah.
different.
I think I like this one more. The crumble one.
Alright.
Thank you, Tatte.